Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to crochet this checkered headband. It's a very simple and easy pattern, and this is all you'll need for this project. So these are the two colors that I'm going to be using. Starting with the darker shade, you're going to make a slip knot and then you put it on your hook, and you want to make sure you don't pull it too tight. Now you're going to chain 30. Now that you're done with your chain 30, you're going to skip this first chain that you're on and make 6 double crochets in the next chain. So you go into the chain, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Then you make 5 more double crochets in that same chain. After the 6th double crochet, make sure you still have 2 loops on your hook. Make a slip knot using your second color and then put it on your hook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the 3 loops. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now using this color, you're going to make 1 double crochet in these 2 stitches. So I'm just carrying this shorter yarn along so I don't have to weave it in later. Now you're going to switch colors and make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. After each color switch, make sure you pull the yarn to ensure there are no gaps between the stitches. Now you're going to switch colors again and make 1 double crochet in the last 2 stitches. Now you're going to cut this smaller yarn off. So at the end of each row, you switch colors and then chain 1. Now you're just going to continue making 2 double crochets with each color. So you're just going to carry this other yarn along while making the double crochet. So after making 2 double crochets using one color, you switch colors and make the next 2 double crochets. So now that you're done making 2 rows, you're going to make 28 more rows. Now I'm going to be working with only this dark shade of purple. After you chain 1 and turn, you're going to make a puff stitch. So you yarn over, go into the first stitch, pull the yarn through, yarn over and pull the yarn through 2 loops. Now you yarn over again, go into the second stitch, pull the yarn through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. At this point you're going to have 3 loops on your hook. So you're just going to repeat the same process for the remaining stitches. After that, you're going to yarn over and pull through all the loops, and then you chain 30. After that, you cut the yarn and pull it through to create a knot. Then you're just going to cut off this excess yarn, but not too close to the knot so it doesn't begin to loose from there. Then you do the same thing to the other side. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also turn on your post notifications so you can know when I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.